This composting toilet is clean, easy, doesn't smell, and costs $5 for the trash bags you'll need. You will need a heavy-duty 5-gallon bucket, easily found outside the back of stores. You'll need a toilet seat riser. For covering, it's the time of year that you don't have leaves, you can use sawdust. But wood chips that come out of those big grinders when they're cutting down trees and pruning, the wood chips are too big. They don't compost well. So you'll want something that's finer, like sawdust, or the finer type of wood shavings. Leaves are really best, though. Then you do your thing, put the seat on the bucket, and you sit comfortably just like a toilet. The height for me is just right. And then you put some leaves in on top. You're done, and you pack it down. And you can get about 10 visits to this bathroom. I get about 10 of them. And before the bag fills up, it pulls right out of the bucket. And then that's really the easy part that I haven't seen before. You pull it out. I put it into a trash barrel, and I let them just sit down there for 2 or 3 months until the bucket starts to fill up. Then I number them so I can see which ones are the oldest, and take it out. And after about 3 months, there's little smell. There's some, but not much. People smell. And so then I have a second stage, in which I use these storage containers. And I put about 6 inches of leaves in there.
4 months, no smell at all.
This will make the best garden compost you'll ever have, complete with your own microbiome in your garden soil.